What's good, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. So today we're actually going to be installing my mirror caps. They came in, so I'm very excited about that. I've been waiting for them to come in. The M style look is just beautiful. So let's just get on to it. Alright, boys. What you think? Quick cold start? Let's get going. So right now we're on our way to one of my friend's job. He's gonna give us a quick hand with the install, so I'll see you when I get. Before I forget, I don't know if any of you guys have ever seen, smelled, bumped into any of these. Bro, these are the way to go. They're so good. Like, I know they're a little expensive. They're like 26 bucks at BMW, but if you could get your hands on it, I'm telling you, you're not gonna regret it. These things smell good. Alright, boys, so after a good couple of minutes of being here, we're gonna unbox them.
Unbagged.
This is what they look like, and that's Roland. Hello, Roland. You gonna upload Roland?
No.
Okay, so he's gonna be helping us today.
Anyway, so
Camera died, so
yeah.
we're doing it on the phone.
Basically what I was saying is you want to really just push. You want to push it, not pull it, if that makes sense. So you don't want the glass to bend at all. Try not to bend the glass. So like, I have the tool in right now and it's putting pressure on the back side. So I should just be able to grab it and pull. Oh, and you're gonna hear pop. I got that one pretty good. Did it one more. Fuck. Come on. I'm doing this softly because I don't want it to snap. Come on. Stop being so stubborn. You're just stubborn.
So was my girlfriend. I think mine was stubborn? Okay.
Let me see if I can get it from the side. Don't be afraid to move the mirror around. The motor, you can move the motor around. You could kind of feel the motor moving. Like, it makes like a buzzing sound, and you can feel it. It vibrates. Come on. There it goes. Woo.
And boys, I will not deny that that is the scariest thing to do in your car, considering the price that they want to charge you.
Okay, so basically what I did was I put it here, right? And you could see how far it reached back in there. And basically you want to grab it back here and pull so that you're not putting the pry tool here or here, especially anywhere on this corner. Try to get it here or here, as close to this round part as you can, because you can see these are the 4 clips. So that's what you want to do. You want to put it back here and you want to pull even on top of it. As long as you don't hook the actual motor, this is the motor. As long as you don't hook this motor, you're fine. And it's pretty difficult to actually get that. So it's not that hard. You don't have to be that scared. It does take like a lot of force. Just do it slowly.
A lot of force, but have patience, because
I don't have to take
if you
that
lose
off.
your patience,
You will break it.
you will break it. So after that, inside, very easy. So Ron, I'll just do it. I'll pry the clips. Now pull that side. So you want to pull that side once you got your hand on here.
Damn.
Can't. There you go. Okay, so that clip is out.
Is it?
Yeah.
There it goes.
Yeah, it's out now.
Pull it out.
Okay. Next one. I'm gonna do middle.
Okay.
There you go. And last clip. There you go. And it should come right off.
Yeah, and then you have the little ones in the back. You have these right here.
And that's what it looks like without it.
And then just put it back in, same way you took it off. You just want to line all the clips to make sure all the clips are in the right way. There's 3 on the bottom and then the 3 on top.
Yeah, if you apply some pressure, they'll just clip in.
Yeah,
that's not that
push
scary.
them all the way in. You can, if you want, you can check that they're all in. But yeah, this is all done. Done. And then last, you don't have to take these off because they're all to one side, so you can kind of just leave it here, resting up against the door. And to put it back, you just align these parts right here. These parts with these little things right here. And you just align it. Basically, just make it centered. And then you just push on the very center, right where that circle was. And you should just hear go click. That's it. Just make sure it's all the way in. Remember, don't push here. The circle's right here.
Yeah, you definitely have to push.
The circle's right here. So don't pry or pull from here. Or here is pretty close to the circle, but I'd recommend right here and right here. These are the 2 closest points to that circle. You shouldn't need to pull anywhere else. And just angle it, push right here with your fingers up, and you see how the motor moves, and then you push like that, and then you should be able to pull from there. It's the easiest way to do it.
And this is what it's looking like. Stock, aftermarket. It's a big difference. Definitely makes it more aggressive.
Stock knot.
Yeah. So, other side.
And you just get this?
No.
Oh,
no, we still want those, just in case.
Alright, don't rewind just yet. We're about to do it again. So if you missed a step, I'll show you again.
Alright. Here we go again, boys.
Okay, remember, just like I said in the first one, the circle's right here, right? So I've already pushed it up and pushed it over. Okay, so that it's tilted as far that way as I can. I normally start from the bottom and then get this side. But you can do it the other way, but this is how I've always done it. Kind of just push the prying tool in there, get it back there, and just pull. Pull, 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 pull. You're gonna hear it. A bunch of plastic sounds, but it's okay. Don't be afraid to reposition. Okay. Alright. Looks like she's tough on that side, so we're gonna try this side.
Yes, I know.
Just pull. It's starting to go. There it goes.
What a son of a you know what.
Yeah, these plastics get a little hard over time. Sometimes you knock some loose. It looks like your head is disconnected.
No big deal.
It's fine.
Goes back in.
You just push
where
it
it
back
came
in.
from.
All the wires are fine.
What the heck is this? Cobweb?
Cobwebs, yeah.
Wow.
I'm telling you, it's been there for a while. I push this back in. There you go. Click. Alright, and just rest it. Rest it somewhere or let it hang. It doesn't matter. The wires are pretty strong. You're not going to snap one if it just hangs.
But if you don't want to hang it, your buddy could just hold it.
Yeah, your buddy can hold it.
If you have a buddy.
It's the same shit.
We hope you have buddies.
Same thing. Just grab these little clips. You're going to pinch them. I don't know if you can see my hand. You're going to pinch them. That's a horrible one because it's actually tough. But you just pinch them. I can't pinch it right now.
Okay. So these two, you pinch them together. Boom. They're out of the way. Sometimes that little black thing will get in the way. And then Roland's going to pry.
Pull, pry.
There you go. So those clips are already out, as you can see. Focus on the other ones.
What I would do when you're doing this is grab it here if they want to come look. Right here, there's a gap, and right on the top, there's a gap right here. and there's a gap right here on the top. Kind of stick your fingers in here or a prying tool, however you want, and pull, because there's 3 clips at the bottom, and you can pull those out. Pop, pop, pop. You hear them pop like that, and then you just pinch the rest of them.
Yeah. You kind of...
Did I pop one out? Now?
Yeah, pop one out.
Whatever.
By itself. Hold on. There you go.
And they all just come out. These are the bottom ones I'm talking about. Right there, right there. You can pop those out.
Those just come out.
Those just come out on their own. And then if you have those loose already, these will come out easier, because it's like you have to push these out. So
yeah. So the technique is squish, pry.
Yeah.
And that's it.
Same things. Put them in, just like that, and then tape it, and it'll hold it. No.
Come on, my man.
Just
you just align it and just push.
Make sure they're aligned. All of them are in there. You can see kind of right there and right there. You can see it's already aligned. And then you just push it and push the bottom ones. Make sure the 2 bottom ones we were talking about are in, and then make sure that the top ones go in all the way. Feels good. It's not gonna go anywhere. They're in. That one's in, that one's in, that one's in. The bottom ones are definitely in. You're all set. Just put these back in. Same thing. Turn it over. Push.
In the middle.
In the middle. Only in the middle. You don't need to push on the outsides. Push right there, and that's it. You're all set.
And that is it, boys. They are both done.
If it was me, I would have just thrown this.
No. And if you see it sideways like that, you can obviously just move it with the motor, adjust it to however the heck you had it, and they'll go back to normal.
Some advice. Sometimes when you're moving it around, it jumps a gear. If that happens, just on the inside on the switch, go to select the mirror that's not going to the right position. Move it all the way to each side. Move it all the way to the left, move it all the way to the right, move it all the way up, and then move it all the way down. Kind of like recalibrate it, and then put your old setting back in, and it should pop in. If it didn't pop, if it doesn't go into the right spot, like it's way off, come back out and make sure it's popped in on all 4 corners of that circle.
Yeah, so re-push the middle again.
Re-push the mirror, make sure it's in the right spot. But that should be it.
Alright, boys, so we've officially made it to the end of the video. If you guys were able to take away something from it, just make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're watching this and you haven't subscribed, like, what are you doing? Come on, subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video, guys, alright? Later.